Stepping into the pharma industry for the first time can feel exciting and honestly a little confusing too these days. There are so many courses, so many career paths, and so much information that the students often don't know where to begin. So in this video, I'm going to make things very simple for you. If you want your first pharma job, here's exactly how you prepare for it. You see guys, your journey actually begins right after the 12th science. Depending on how quickly you want to enter the industry, you have a few options. If you want a fast entry, then D-Pharm, the 2 years diploma in pharmacy, is the quickest route. It prepares you for the basic roles like the hospital or the retail pharmacist and give you very practical hands-on knowledge. But if you want a stronger foundation, then the B-Pharm is the course that opens the maximum number of doors. It's a 4-year degree and honestly it is the most common way the students enter the pharma. You learn everything like how the drugs are made, how they work, how they are analyzed, and this becomes your core strength. If you are someone who loves science but doesn't want the pharmacy route, then BSc in Life Science, Chemistry or the Biotech is also a great starting point. These degrees prepare you for the lab roles, manufacturing, quality control, and even the research support. Once you're done with your bachelor's degree, the real question becomes, now, what next? If you want to go deeper into research, drug formulation or analysis, then M-Pharm is a very strong option. It gives you specialization, and specialization always increases your value in the pharma world. If your interest is more on the clinical or the hospital side, PharmD is the course for you. It is a long program, yes, but it prepares you for the direct patient care roles and clinical roles that are very respected. Some students discover that their interest is actually on the business side, like strategy, product management, marketing. And for them, an MBA in pharmaceutical management makes a lot of sense. And of course, if you want to enter the research ecosystem, especially clinical trial, drug safety or data-related roles, then a PG diploma in clinical research or the pharmacovigilance is one of the fastest way to enter the industry. Choosing your path depends more on your goals than your marks. If you want to start working quickly, D-Pharm is perfect. If you want a strong, flexible career foundation, B-Pharma is the safest and the most powerful choice. If you dream of joining the R&D or teaching, then M-Pharma or the MSc is your pick. But if you like interacting with the patients and want the clinical experience, choose the PharmD. If leadership, marketing or the business excites you, then choose the MBA in Pharma Management. And if you're someone who enjoys the research, documentation or data, then BSc Life Science followed by a specialized diploma is a smart route. Now, let me tell you guys about something that most students miss out on, which is actually the reasons that you may not be getting the interview calls back. Pharma companies don't just look at your degree. They also look at whether you can handle the documentation, follow the GMP and the GLP, communicate clearly, and understand the basic lab process. If you're entering the clinical or research roles, then you must follow the things like the clinical trial phase, SOPs, ethics, adverse event reporting, and medical terminology. These skills don't always come from your degree. They come from the right kind of industry-focused training. And this brings us to a very important point. When the students reach this stage where they have finished their degree but don't feel job ready, they start looking for the practical training, something that helps them to understand the industry, build confidence, and give them the real skills. That's where the structured programs make a huge difference. And LLRI is exactly that. Because our programs don't just teach theory, they actually prepare you for the pharma job roles, teaching you what to say not just during the interview but also teaching you how you can excel at your job. For example, if you're serious about entering the clinical research, then LLRI's PG Diploma in Clinical Research is a complete package. It runs for 9 months and covers everything step by step. 5 months of solid clinical research training, 2 months of corporate skills so you know how the industry works, 1 month of medical coding, 1 month of bioinformatics, and you also get 1 month of clinical SAS completely free. This combination makes you job ready in multiple domains. We also have the longer, more specialized program depending on what interests you. If you like documentation and back-end healthcare process, then the PG Diploma in Clinical Research and Medical Coding is a 12-month program that goes deeper into both the fields. If you love data and want to explore the biotech side, then the PG Diploma in Clinical Research and Bioinformatics, again a 12-month course, is designed for exactly that. And for the students who want full mastery in clinical research, coding and bioinformatics together, then there is a 15-month PG Diploma in CR, MC and BI. It is very comprehensive and prepares you for a wide range of pharma and CRO roles. So if you are preparing for your first pharma job, remember this. Your degree gives you a foundation. Your specialization gives you the direction. But your skills give you your first opportunity. Take time to understand what really you enjoy, explore the roles available in the industry and build the skills that match those roles. And if clinical research, drug safety, bioinformatics or the medical documentation excites you, then LLRI's program can help you to start that journey with confidence. To know more, you can reach out to us, check the course detail and see which path matches your goal. Comment below and our team of experts will get back to you. Your pharma career doesn't begin when you get a job. It begins the moment you choose the right direction. All the best and do subscribe us for more informative videos.